Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily half swipe on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then tap right here to get into chats. As you can see, I got two unread conversations right here, and if you want to read new messages without marking them as read, as you can see right here at that conversations, it said opened. You can use that simple trick. It still works in 2023. So all you have to do is just put your finger over the profile picture and then swipe to the right side, just like that. That shows you the last messages in that conversation. Just don't lift your finger from the screen, because in that case that conversation will be marked as read. So in that simple way you can see the last messages in any conversation. Unfortunately, you can't right here swipe up or down to see the whole conversation, but you can check the last messages. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.